What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this glitter ombre look that I did, and the colors I'm using are Striking, Introspect, and Bonjour from Revel. I'm so stoked to finally have a glitter ombre video out. I tried to film one a couple weeks ago for a Halloween mani, and when I looked back at the video it only recorded 8 minutes, so I was super bummed to see that, but it's okay. Now we have a glitter ombre video, guys, so I'm super excited and I hope that you guys like it. That being said, I'm gonna let you guys watch and I will be right back. To note right here that I am using a different manicure brush, and the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want to cross-contaminate between colors and have my gray end up getting all blue. So if you're wondering, that's why I have two different manicure brushes. Going in with a third coat of this gray, and honestly guys, I really shouldn't have done this. I tend to forget sometimes when I do glitter ombres that you really practically only need 2 dips, as long as the top part is opaque enough for you. The base is going to get covered anyways, so I should have just left it because they did end up a little bit thicker than I like. So just keep that in mind when you are thinking about doing a glitter ombre. So now we're getting into our glitter ombre, and the color we're using is Striking. I'm just going to pour some into the lid so I can pick from it later, and I'm using this dense fluffy brush. It's small, it's compact, it keeps the glitter all in one spot, which I love because I don't want something that's going to be getting all over the nail, so I really like this smaller brush. And I'm going to be basically just hovering this brush a little bit more towards my skin and less over the nail itself. We are going to be moving it a little bit back and forth, up and down, side to side, just to get every little inch covered in glitter and moving it down a teeny tiny bit so that we do get that ombre effect. And I'm going to brush it off really quick right here and go in with my toothpick, and we're going to place some of these little bigger glitters. That doesn't make sense. We're going to be placing some of these bigger glitters around the nail and just filling up some of these empty spaces just to make it look a little cuter. And I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing. Okay, right here I'm gonna dust off some of that extra glitter that's actually on the nail. Make sure you guys are being really careful if you do that step, because you want to make sure that that base is completely dry before running your brush around it, because you don't want to get any little hairs on there, so keep that in mind. Here I'm going to be going in with my sandwich baggie, and I'm just going to be patting down these glitters to make sure that they are even and flat with my nail. This will make it so that they don't stick out when I dip into the clear. Also guys, don't be like me. I have no idea why I am cleaning my cuticles over my jar of clear, but here we are doing stupid stuff. So you've been warned, and also don't judge me. am going to be adding an extra layer of clear just for some more protection. And this is what I mean, guys, when I said earlier that you really only need 2 layers of that base color, because you are going to be adding glitter on top of it and then 1 or 2 coats of clear. So all those layers do add up and can create bulk to the nail. So just keep that in mind. Now we're just going to brush off all that extra powder and we will be ready for activating and filing. Remember that I always wait 2 minutes before I get into my filing, just to make sure that that activator has completely dried. Okay, here's what our nails are looking like now, and we're going to take this glass cuticle pusher and this Blue Cross cuticle remover, and we're going to be running this around our cuticles and our sidewalls just to get any of that extra dip powder off of there and anything that might have stained while doing our manicure. Now we're going to be taking our Sparkling Coat Solidify, and we're going to be leaving this on the nail for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to wipe it off with a paper towel, and then we will be ready for our top coat. As always, we're going to be taking our Sparkling Coat 2.0 Glossy Top Coat, and you guys already know I'm obsessed with this top coat, so I don't think I need to say it again. So once I've waited 3 minutes for that first layer to dry, I'm going to go in with my second application. And if you're wondering why I wait 3 minutes, I wait 3 minutes just to make sure that that first layer is completely dry. I used to have issues with my top coat drying after the second layer because the first layer wasn't even dry, so now I just wait 3 minutes just to make sure I'm completely safe. And this is what they're looking like. We're gonna put on this Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil in Nutty Chai, and I love this scent, you guys. I also have a code with Candy Skincare. I will leave it in the description box for you if you want to check her out, as well as her shop. Here is our finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time.